Hi everyone, welcome to Isha Cooks. Let me show you how to make this fluffy pancakes. Super soft, delicious, and melt in your mouth goodness. It will leave you asking for more. Let's get right into the video, shall we? Into a bowl, go in with 2 eggs and 2 tablespoons sugar. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla flavor or any flavor of choice and give it a good whisk. Mix it all together till you no longer see sugar granules. Go in with about 200 ml milk. You can use whole milk or full cream milk. Mix this all together and go in with your flour. Make sure you sift your flour. For this recipe, I used a cup of flour plus 1/4 cup flour. Sifting the flour makes it more airy and takes out any debris. Go in with about 2 teaspoons baking powder and a pinch of salt. Whisk this all together till there are no lumps. When you have a fine batter just like this, then it's ready to fry. You should have a runny consistency just like this. It shouldn't be too thick and it shouldn't be too runny. Wash your pan with some oil on low heat and scoop in the batter. It should take about a minute on each side. When it starts to bubble just like this, then it's time to flip it over. And just like that, your delicious fluffy pancakes are ready. This method is very easy because it doesn't require too much and it's very quick to put together. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or just as something you can snack on. You can top it up with some butter, some maple syrup, but for me, I dusted it with some powdered sugar. I kid you not, this tasted really good and the fluffiness, If you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, like, and give this video a share. Many more beautiful recipes coming your way. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.